In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the belt tensioner on this Audi A4. This vehicle has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine. This is going to be located on the front of the engine. Let's get into it. Remove the engine cover. Let's pop that up. Using a 17mm wrench on the tensioner, pull that back. Then we'll take the belt off the alternator. Just set that aside. Using a 13mm wrench, I'm going to take these bolts, these 3 bolts out the side. You can loosen those up. And I'll switch to a ratchet wrench once they're loose. Pull those out. And the last one. And when you loosen the last one up, you're going to take the whole tensioner with you. And there's a bracket. Take the bracket off with the bolt. Take the new tensioner, the bracket, put the bolt through. There's a little pin right here. Keep in mind, it might be hard to see that afterwards, but that's keeping the tension on the tensioner. So once we put it in, we're going to use the wrench. Just take a little bit of the tension off once the belt's in the right location, and then pull that pin out. So slide that down in place. Get that bolt started. All right, before I snug that up, make sure you get the other bolts started. And the last bolt, get that in. And tighten that down. It's a little tricky to get a torque wrench in there. If you can, you want to torque these bolts to 17 foot-pounds. But do the best you can. We'll just tighten those down. All right, those are all tight. And take the belt. Because it has a pin in there, you should be able to put it right over the alternator. Make sure it goes over the other pulleys and it looks good. Using the 17mm wrench, just take the tension off the tensioner, push it this way. And I'm just using needle nose pliers. Just grab that pin and slide that pin out. And you can release the tensioner. That's good. Take that engine cover, that lined up. That's good. Push that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.